This is Jocko protein shake, 0 sugar added, 0 artificial sweeteners. And this is the fruity cereal, but basically it should be called Fruity Pebbles. Again, 30 grams of protein. I've been drinking these and they taste absolutely fantastic. It's like a treat in a bottle. You can see it's basically just looks, and honestly looks like milk. And I think that's actually what they call this, Jocko Mölk or something. No, that's not, just a protein shake. I'm telling you, if you like Fruity Pebbles, like I haven't had it since I was a kid, but like literally I drank it, I was like, that's Fruity Pebbles. If you like Fruity Pebbles as a kid, which was awesome, the milk that was left over, that's exactly what this tastes like. It's the craziest thing ever. It tastes so good. So if you want to pick one of these up, I think it's probably a good idea. 30 grams protein. You can read this stuff. 180 calories. You know, the fat is whatever. I don't really care about fat. Cholesterol is 6%, 20 milligrams of cholesterol. So, you know, hey, whatever. That's something I always got to worry about. But yeah, does it taste good? It tastes better than good. It tastes amazing. Awesome.